Right, what I want to do is surface my spoil board on my CNC. The size of my spoil board is 610 by 620. So that's the job size I'm going with. My zero toolpath is the bottom left hand corner, and then I shall be going from the height from the Z from it with me Z probe. So that's okay. Now what I want to do is create a square as big as my spoil board. So I'll go with that. Now, like I said, my width is 610, but I always go oversized, so I'm going to do 10 mil over, so I'll go 620, and then this is 620. I'm going to make this 630. So that gives me a square, basically, with a 5 mil overlap all the way around. Now I'm going to centre it. So as you can see there now, I've got a 5 mil overhang. Now I want to select the toolpath and I'm going to create a pocket. Now the tool I'm using is an 18 mil flattening bit. It's not the best one, I'll be honest with you, but it does the job. So I'll select that. The feed rate 800, I'm going to speed that up to about 1500. And the depth of pass, I'm getting it 0.2 of a mil each time until I get it down to a level where I want to be. I'm only anticipating taking 3 or 4 passes off, so I'll go with that. The max depth I've got set there is 3/4 of a mil, but if I set that to 1 mil, it's saying there 142 minutes, but that's basically taking 0.2 off on each pass. 5 passes, it's going with that, but I'm not anticipating having to go that long with it. So that seems okay. Show simulation. Everything looks good. So what I'll do now, I'll save the G-code. And I'll save the G-code as a, I think I've had one before called spoilboard. So spoilboard. I'll save it as that. Save. Yes. And now it's over to the CNC. Now I'm going to load the program into my computer, the G-code I've just created. It is there, and that's there. Next thing I want to do is just change the tooling on the machine. So this is the tool I use. It's not the best, I'll be honest with you, but it does the job. And like I say, this is 18 mil across, so I'll just change that over. Now what I want to do is find the Z height. I'll set that up. and now I can run the toolpath. The machine should basically go to the centre area here, where it'll start cutting and gradually work its way out to the outsides, basically going round in squares as it goes. So let's see what happens. As you can see, it's working its way out now. It's cutting, taking 0.2 of a mil off. You can hear it go a bit quieter here, and that's basically because it's taking nothing on in that area of the board. So, you know, over a period of time the board's moved a bit. Now it's beginning to take some off again. It seems to be taking more off in this top corner here than anywhere else. This area is taking nothing off at the moment, so it just shows how much it was out. It's probably taking, I don't know, could be as much as half a mil off this area here, but as you see that up this end it's taking nothing off, so it just shows how much the board's out. And it's gone like that over a period of time because it has been surfaced when I first put it on. As you can probably see, it looks a lot better now since it's been surfaced. There's still some marks in it, but you know, they were quite deep and they'll be okay. But the whole board now has been resurfaced and looking a lot better. I ended up giving it 3 passes, so I ended up taking off about just over half a mil, 0.6 of a mil, which was okay, and it's kind of brought it down to this level, so looking a lot better than it was.